please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Big deal that we will be focusing on, and CNBC TV 18 has been on top of that, is the Walmart Flipkart deal. Walmart will sign a definitive agreement with Flipkart today to acquire around a 75% stake for $15 billion. CEO Doug McMillon will be in India to close the deal. That's an exclusive. Shireen Bhan joins in with the details. Shireen?
Well, that is right. In just a few minutes from now, perhaps, we are going to see Doug McMillon ink that deal. The Walmart global CEO is currently in Bangalore, and we are given to understand that shortly that definitive agreement will be inked between the US retail giant to pick up majority control of India's homegrown e-commerce unicorn. Now, as we've been reporting here on CNBC TV 18, the deal is worth $15 billion. This makes it the largest FDI deal into India. Reliance, BP, Essar, Rosneft, all lower than this particular transaction. Now, let me break down the deal for you. As we've been reporting, Walmart's impending purchase of a controlling stake in Flipkart will include about a $2 billion in new equity funding, as well as the entry of internet giant Google as a key shareholder in what will be the American retail giant's biggest acquisition to date in the e-commerce market. Now, again, deal structure. Walmart will buy up to 75% in Flipkart for about $15 billion, and that values the Indian e-commerce company at about $20 billion. What we are also given to understand is that from a tax liability point of view, Walmart will deduct the possible tax outgo before making the payment to Flipkart. Now, the acquisition, which will be announced in a short while from now, will be funded with the existing cash reserves as well as new debt. Walmart is expected to hold a majority stake in the entity, but the American retailer and Singapore-based Flipkart are also in talks with other potential investors to raise funds, and that could pave the way for Google to come on board as a key shareholder. It will also lead to the exit of SoftBank. As CNBC TV 18 has been reporting, SoftBank will exit Flipkart. Other investors will also participate in raising funds, but that is after the acquisition of Walmart of Flipkart by Walmart is closed. Post the deal closure, Flipkart's financials will be reported as part of Walmart's international operations. Flipkart will also look to leverage Walmart's retail expertise and its knowledge of the grocery and merchandise supply chain management. The investment by Walmart will help the Indian company build retail infrastructure, especially in rural India, and also set up the agriculture supply chain. Flipkart and Walmart will operate distinct brands after the deal is closed. Flipkart, of course, runs fashion portals Myntra Jabong, payments unit called PhonePe, the logistics company called eCart. But globally as well, this is going to be an important part of Walmart's international strategy. So it does expect headwinds on its pre-share earnings after the deal is complete, at least in the near term. Subsequently, it hopes that this will be EPS accretive. The big news, the company is expected to take Flipkart public, perhaps in India, and make it a majority-owned subsidiary in a few years. Just for the benefit of our viewers, I mean, this is a bittersweet moment for India's startup ecosystem. Flipkart was founded in 2007 by Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. Binny Bansal will stay on. Sachin Bansal will exit. Both, of course, were former Amazon employees. The founders, of course, are not related, and we are also given to understand that early investors like Tencent and Tiger Global will continue to hold on to some stake and will also find some board representation as well. They will also, of course, continue to back the leadership team. Kalyan Krishnamurthy, along with Binny Bansal, will continue to lead operations. Krish Iyer of Walmart India perhaps will also get a board seat. So that's, of course, the big development to watch out for. We're given to understand that any minute now the deal will be closed, but an official announcement is likely this afternoon.